I have the full spoilers for the BoxyCharm by Ipsy March 2024 box. It is $30 per month. If I do happen to get this in PR, I will do a full review for you. So their advice for the month is simple. March to your own beauty beat. With a botanical skincare must-have makeup and nature-inspired palette from woman-owned and founded brands who inspire us to rewrite the rules every day. That's where BoxyCharm's March 2024 spoilers come in. They're just a taste of everything this month has to offer. With spring around the corner and Women's History Month upon us, there's no better time to restock your routine with essentials to help you truly blossom and channel your BFE, Big Feminine Energy. This box may include Wander Beauty Trailblazer Eyeshadow Palette, Glow Recipes Strawberry BHA Pore Smooth Blur Drops, Anastasia Beverly Hills Lash Sculpt Lengthening and Volumizing Mascara, Yensa Beauty Super Serum Silk Concealer, Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream, Miss Fame Cream and Powder Blush Duo, Galactic Fruit Superfood Scrub. Let me know if this is one you guys are thinking about picking up. Hope you're having a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.